See how quick the clouds are moving across the area. This is from Anakeesta looking back towards Mount LeConte, and winds are still brisk. I always say, anytime you see the red showing up, those are winds of 50 miles per hour or greater. So we're seeing some of those sustained winds at 50 right over the higher peaks there in Blount County at this hour. 28 in Gatlinburg, sustained winds, 33 Maryville, and 32 in Jamestown. It will stay brisk wind-wise. Officially, these advisories expire at 7 o'clock, but I'd say probably closer to 9, 10 o'clock before they really start to relax, but they won't be as bad once we get past sunset. Mauve color here, I think that's what I've been told that is, the pinkish purple. That means winds gusting to about 60 miles per hour. In the lighter blue, that's a wind advisory about 45, and we've kind of seen that really throughout the day today, but it looks a little quieter once we're past sunset and especially closer to midnight. The good thing with the winds, it's helped to warm things up. We're 68 in Knoxville, 72 still in Gatlinburg. I think I saw them at 75 earlier today, 68 Middlesboro and 68 in Oneida. Temperatures tonight fall off into the upper 30s and low 40s with a lighter wind, but I would say grab a jacket before you head out the door. And for Friday, mix of clouds, some sunshine, a couple of degrees above average, low to mid 50s, a pretty good bet for most areas. Let's jump into Saturday. Quiet start. This is 7 a.m. right into early afternoon as well, but the clouds are rather thick. But if you have outdoor plans this weekend, Saturday better than Sunday, earlier better than later, because as we go into Saturday night, there's a lot of cold air on the North Carolina side kind of coming right down out of the northeastern U.S. They have a bit of a mix. We're seeing mainly rain, but overnight, as some colder air tries to wrap back into the system, more of a rain-snow mix here in the valley, maybe a rain-snow mix as well, probably a little bit more wet snow for portions of the plateau, and then this will rotate, pinwheel out pretty quickly Sunday afternoon. This is 3 o'clock, and then we're done. So really, late Saturday night through about the first half of Sunday is our best opportunity to see any accumulating snows. But keep in mind, this is happening kind of during the daylight hours, and at best, temperatures are borderline freezing here in the Knoxville area. I think we're only going to be in the mid-30s in the morning and probably close to 40 in the afternoon. So we have them as low now for seeing accumulations. And if we did, we're talking mainly grassy surfaces. I think the same thing for portions of the plateau. Best opportunities for accumulating snows, higher elevations of the Smokies, and they can be significant, maybe several inches on that, say 3 to 6, 4 to 7 type range, certainly possible. We'll have a little bit better idea on totals tomorrow, so check with us with that. But again, overall here in the Knoxville, most valley locations, not expecting this to be a huge impact for travel. 35 in the morning, 41 in the afternoon. Kind of hard to do that, especially after being in the 60s the past couple of days. And 60s don't want to go away. They're right back. But we may have to be mowing grass here in a couple of weeks if this continues.
I heard some mowers going this
Did you
past